This is how you can disconnect WhatsApp from Meta Business Suite inbox. As you see here, WhatsApp has been introduced and added to the Business Suite inbox. It used to be only Messenger and Instagram, but they've added WhatsApp. So now, when you go to the Business Suite app, or you are on it on a computer, you can access Messenger, you can access Instagram direct messages and WhatsApp. Now, the WhatsApp has some privacy related issues, so you may want to disconnect it. So for example, once you add the WhatsApp here, you cannot you cannot log into WhatsApp on any other you can link your WhatsApp to any other device unless only accessing it on the business suite. They will not allow you. So for example, I wanted to log into my WhatsApp on WhatsApp web. They didn't allow me. I wanted to log into WhatsApp. I was using it here, but they've disconnected it. So in that case, you may want to disconnect the WhatsApp. So how do you do that? So to disconnect it, just come here and then go to the settings of the business suite. So when you click on the settings, it takes you to the settings. Okay, so when you go to settings, you scroll down and then you go to WhatsApp accounts. So to disconnect your WhatsApp, you tap on the three dots here and then you will see disconnect. So you click on the disconnect. Yeah. So you read and go through. They say you no longer have access to WhatsApp inbox through the WhatsApp business app and all of that. So if you confirm you're okay, or if you read through everything and you're okay, you click on the disconnect and you have disconnected it. If you come to here, if you come back here and then you okay, let me refresh here and let's see. You see that the WhatsApp inbox is no longer showing. So you have disconnected it. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. Leave your comments in the comment section if you have any problem doing this, and I'll come in to help you. See you in the next video, and bye.